What's up? Just wanted to do a quick video and show off some of the stuff I've just done with my P10 LED screen. It's an outdoor screen. P10 means 10 millimeter pitch. The entire screen, 160 millimeters, about 1.5 feet by about 2.5 feet. On my laser cutter, I cut some brackets real quick just to prototype this and get it started. Made a larger one to mount the power supply on. Just some temporary wiring going over to a Raspberry Pi 3. I'm going to replace this with a shield that just gets rid of all this and makes the gray cables here attached just straight to the Pi. Also toying with the idea of just replacing that with a video processor at some point. So right now that is running a sketch that receives ACN 1.31E, something like that, ACN or E131. And that's basically a DMX over Ethernet protocol. Every pixel gets 3 DMX channels all the way across one row and then down across until it runs out of channels, and then it goes through some crazy number of universes. I think it's sending and receiving 25 DMX universes in total. I don't think it's using it all right now. So right now I'm running that off of a program. This one's called Jinx. And this is the only one I've found so far that really lets me do the ACN protocol. The other one I was looking at, Gladiator, just doesn't do that protocol. So you have a number of generators here. We were just looking at metaballs. We can flip to, this is just a red. And in second, yep, there's the display. Just red. And then you have multiple channels so you can mix things together. Right now it's just red and blackout, so if we did red with some fire over it, and should start to see a little bit of yellow in there. And then if I turn off channel 1, which was red, we'll just see the fire effect. So I'm going to put my tripod down over here and just run through some of the effects real quick. Color scroll, just bar gradients, different colors. And let me turn the fire off. So that's just going to slowly shift across. Plasma is a pretty classic effect. The next one. Fire metaballs, we saw expanding shapes. And I can control the size of the speed and size and how the layers mix together, a lot like a VJ program. Raindrops, next pattern. Falling rain, kind of a matrix effect there. Scan lines, scrolling text, there's a little bit of jitter there. You need to look at some of this configuration in the Raspberry Pi and just make sure that Python sketch is absolutely sending the right stuff to display, and then also make sure that there's no processes interrupting what I was trying to send. So the next one is the star fields. Fading pixels. Simple lines. Sign lines. And then, like inside of here, I should be able to go and change the colors. If I wanted to make that more blue. Be fun. Spectrum analyzer. So I don't actually have a microphone hooked up right now to the computer, but whatever came in the audio input, it will show the bands of audio. So your bass will hit a couple of these, and your high pitch will hit a couple of those top ones. Audio VU meter, pretty similar. You've got a bar that's going to show how loud it is. There's a couple of video players. I haven't really got to that with this program yet. And you can use webcams as well. Apart from that, there's some different mixing patterns. So if I were to go back to like the plasma, so we can get that going, and then if we wanted to do the expanding shapes, I should be able to like cut out those. So there we can kind of see the expanding shapes coming into play. If I want to only show plasma inside of the boxes, and I guess that made the box borders colored from the plasma layer. Yeah, so still a lot to learn about. I think if I can find some pretty low res video files, I can load those in and just have like chevrons coming across, or like slashes fading over, and just play loop content on it. Probably some like video game stuff as well. So I'm going to start building out a little bit bigger display now that I've got it all working, and we'll see where it goes next. Thanks for checking it out. Peace.